Hi, this is Beth from ZUMBA. I'm doing some how-to videos for you today, all on basic steps that we do in Zumba, breaking them down a little bit so that to help you in class. So here we go. Hello, I am Beth from ZUMBA. We are looking at doing some basic salsa steps that we use in Zumba. One of the most common things we do is a salsa side, also known as a rumba if you're doing salsa. So we step to the side and step back into the middle, to the side. Now that's simple. We're going to make it a little bit more interesting to make it work a bit more. So we step to the side, but we actually push the hip out and bring it back. And we do the same on this side. We push to the side and bring it back. And it's not actually just a push to the side and back. It's actually like our hips are drawing a circle. If they had a pencil on the top of the hip, the pencil would be drawing on the floor a circle. So we're going to go circle with that hip and replace. Circle with that hip and replace. That's it. So, but the count for it is very interesting. It's a salsa count. So we go 1, 2, 3, and we don't do anything on 4. And then we go 5, 5, 6, 7, and we don't do anything on 8. So it goes like this. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. In salsa classes, they often just say 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 to make it easier. But basically, the 4 and the 8, we don't really move. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and we can sometimes move our arms like this. And if we're doing a sort of a Cuban style, we'll be moving our arms like this. And if we're doing more of a reggaeton style, we might want to pump the chest out like that. If we're doing more of an upbeat and cutesy style, we can do, or sexy style, we can go out with the arms. This is a hair comb. So we're bringing around the head and then to the neck and then pushing out again. And it's on the same arm for the same leg. So we're doing that, and sometimes you can do it with both of them like that, which is really cute and good fun. And sometimes we're just sort of shaking. Sometimes we're not doing very much. But when you're really working the hips, it's really good exercise for the legs and much more fun than just simply stepping side to side. But that's it at its basic. Thank you so much. We're going to go and do it this way, so I'll do it with you. Starting this side, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, hope you've got it. Keep practicing and hope to see you in the class soon. Bye.